This lady says in her book, she has these beautiful prayers, and she starts them off like this. And when you pray tonight, I have it in my spirit to say to you this morning, and when you pray this morning, when you pray today, pray for a deeper layer of understanding. Pray that this deeper layer of understanding existence may be revealed to you. An existence that is not governed by what is obvious, but by what is revealed through spiritual awareness, through a higher awareness. All areas of our lives, kukhona an existence that is deeper. In all of our lives exists a deeper layer of meaning, a deeper layer of understanding, a deeper layer of being. Our prayers, however, that you practice communication with the Creator, with God, or with the universe, however you do it, cannot always be about the now things. It cannot always be about tangible things. It cannot always be about material. We ought to also pray for things that we cannot touch or that we cannot see, that are not now things. Pray for peace that exists even during a glaring chaos and noise. Peace emndenini, peace within yourself. Lokuthula man okujulile, okumysterious. Others would describe it as peace that surpasses all understanding. Okungaqondakali, ukuba nokuthula, nokuzotha emphefumulweni. Pray for a blessing of divine beauty, man, beyond the external, the kind of beauty that is evidence of a covering, of a divine covering, that kind that shifts the aura and the energy in rooms, in spaces, in a positive way, in a way that brings upila, life and not just existence, that brightens up people's faces, that makes people smile, that type and kind of beauty. Pray for contentment as you build, because that will keep away the spirit of envy, the spirit of jealousy, of competition. Because you will have a perspective beyond the now and have an understanding that now where things are happening for you and not to you, and things are being orchestrated. There is work, behind the scenes. Pray for discernment, for joy. Pray for a grounded soul. Pray for a settled spirit. Pray for a sober mind. In these times that are confusing, and it's a very chaotic realm that we are living in. That is what the soul ascension is. It is wrestling with your thoughts, with what is being presented, with what feels a certain way when actually it is not. It's about working your way towards what is above and what is beyond what the naked eye can perceive, or it is acknowledging that there are forces we cannot see, paths we cannot fully map out, outcomes we cannot control, but there is a divine wisdom that can, and that is what we ought to be praying for. In seeking this divine coverage, we are not escaping reality. We are stepping into a higher awareness, of reality. To see beyond the obvious is to resist temptation of surface level interpretations of things, of obvious interpretations, of interpretations that we are given by the world and by other people. Some situations may seem final. Some doors may seem like they are closed. Opportunities may seem like they are delayed. We encounter unexpected challenges all the time in life. But the spiritual discernment invites us to look again, to look deeper with a different lens, with a divine lens, to listen deeper with a divine ear, and to ask ourselves, with everything that we go through, with everything that happens, what is unfolding beneath this? What is being protected? What is being redirected? What is being prepared? So when we consciously pray for insight, then our vision shifts, our perceptions will shift. You begin to recognize that delays can be divine timing, rejection can be redirection, and silence can be preparation. And and these things can also be a sign that there's a great orchestration at work. So today, pray for things that you cannot see and things that you cannot touch. And yeah,